My favourite free app this week is Zero Reverb from Blamsoft. Positioning itself as a replacement to your iOS DAW's stock reverb, Zero Reverb gives you a wide variety of sounds to work with and parameters to tweak. You have 6 controls to play with here. The mid-time, low-time and crossover controls are all linked. Mid-time sets the decay time for the mid-range frequencies, low-time sets the decay time for the low frequencies, and crossover sets the transition frequency from low to mid-range. Turning the damping knob will set how much your high frequencies are dampened. Delay adds a delay effect to the wet signal, as you might imagine. And the mix control adjusts how much of the wet signal is present in the output. Zero Reverb is a very versatile wee app. You can keep things dialed down for a subtler effect. Or turn it up for a more dramatic sound. It sounds great on things like guitars and synths, but also does a great job of adding a little character to your rhythm tracks too. Zero Reverb is iOS only and audio unit only, so you'll be adding it to your tracks in GarageBand via the plugins and EQ menu. As AU V3 reverb apps go, you'll struggle to find a better sounding reverb that's as easy to use and, of course, free. Blamsoft's Zero Reverb is available on both iPhone and iPad from the App Store. You'll find a link to that down below. I'll be back with another free app next week. For now, feel free to share your favourite free app in the comments. Bye for now.